Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can set up a digital product using Hostinger. So first, you just need to open your browser and then go to Hostinger website. Now, if you don't have a website yet or an account, you can go and click the link in the description below to get a 20% off using this Hostinger. So once you're here, go to Website Builder and select E-commerce Website Builder. And from here, you can basically set up your own digital product or online store. So just scroll down here, you'll find the business plan where you can create an e-commerce website. So we just need to click on to the add to cart button. And then on the next page here, you just have to select the option, which is the 48 month right here. And then you just have to click this option, continue button. And then here you can now start to create your account. Well, now, once you have your account, you will now go to store manager page. So from here, you just need to set up your products. So click on the products. And then here, as you can see, I have the product sample here. Now, if you want to add a digital product, so click on the add product button at the top right. And then from here, you just need to select on digital product. So here you can add the digital product details. So add a media, for example, I'm going to upload a file. So just an example here, a sketch JPG file, right? And then as you can see at the bottom, you'll find let AI create product details based on the first product image. So click on create text. So let AI generate the description or the details. So there you go. We have the title, and the description right here. And then if you scroll down, you'll find additional information, the pricing, and select amount, and then the price right here. You can basically customize it, and then you can check the track quality or not. So basically, I'm going to uncheck this one, right? And here you can have the add the category here, nautical art. And then as you can see at the bottom, you will find here a file. So customers will receive an email with a link to download the digital product. So what you're going to do, just need to click on the upload file, and then you can upload the file here, which is our digital product. All right, so once done, click on save at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then once you've done that, you can basically change it anytime. Just need to go to this page. All right, now if you want to see the changes, click on edit website at the top right, and you can start to customize your website. And here you will find all the digital products that you have just added to your store manager. So as you can see here, you will find the digital product. If you're going to click on this one, then you'll find the product detail. And once they click on add to bug, then basically they will receive an email and with a link where they can download this product. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.